Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to create a grass. To create a grass you need first a single grass texture you can find here. You need a single grass texture. When you have a single grass texture, you can open from in leaf map. Here you can see the grass leaf map here. You can enable tree leaf map or enable grass leaf map. When you enable the grass leaf map, you can select its material and assign your desired leaf map. For example, I want to direct this one. Select your leaf map and update. As you can see, we have a new grass leaf map. You can customize the settings. The default setting is good. You can reduce the leaves. Okay, easily you can customize the leaf map. For example, the length and the width. Nice. Now you can easily from here open the capture leaf map window. First you can select your leaf map and customize the color from here. Find your desired color. Nice. Now you can update the overall ambient lighting, the overall leaf map color. This is the tag of the tree. Your leaf map must be layer have a tree and resolution, and finally you need to direct the camera here. Now render your leaf map. Leaf grass maps 4. Okay, now we have a very nice leaf map, and now we are ready to create our grass. You can customize your leaf here, it's not too much important. Now easily you can create a tree, a new tree. You can create a new grass tree and a grass material. You can assign your leaf map here and create your grass. Now we want to create our grass, so I want to delete the default grass. Okay, now I want to create the grass. You can add a branch and set its modes to the front. The front is advanced version of the leaf. Now you can assign your grass material as a front. As you can see how we have very nice grass. Ground scale 0. Come down here. First you need to attach the grass to the ground. Now I can increase its width. Nice. As you can see, the angle is not good, so you need to set the crinkle lines to the 0. Now you just need to find proper width and length value. You just need to find the proper length and width value. If you want to use cross mode, you can increase this one. As you can see, our grass looks very realistic and beautiful. You can add more leaves here. From here you can customize its alignment. The default alignment is good. Okay, now everything looks good. Using this option, reduce the around size. Everything is optional. You can add some flowers in the center of this one. You can easily duplicate this leaf map and add some flowers with a new material. For example, I want to create a flower from here. Textures flower. For example, flower. Not bad. Now attach the flower. As you can see, we have a beautiful flower. Okay, what we need to do, first reduce the flower count, flower scale, and position around or center. As you can see, we have flowers. The flower size is not too much good. You need a proper flowers first. For example, I want to create a better flower. Add to the center and save. New flower and update. Now we have a much better flowers. For our grass. This is just a sample. You need to customize your texture, find the proper and better texture for your works. As you can see, the grass shader is the leaves grass. You can easily customize its wind settings. intensity, speed, scale. Everything is so easy. Everything is so easy. Here increase the shadows, translucency. Looks good. I hope this video be useful to you.